Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Cosmic Byte GS430 gaming headset. This is an RGB LED backlit gaming headset. There's a lot of information on this box, however there's a huge sticker that is obscuring most of the information. Over here, however, there's some more stuff. For instance, this particular speaker comes with a volume rocker and two output connectors, a 3.5mm jack and a USB-A connector. Outside that, the driver for this particular speaker is a 50mm driver. Well, that's more or less it. Do we have any more information here? Not really. Let's open this box and take a look at the headset. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box. Let's take a look. This is the user manual for the GS430 gaming headset, and this is a warranty information for the same product. So this is what the headset looks like. This is a gaming inspired headset. As you can tell, there's some unique design on each side. The ear cups are massive and very soft. The ear cushions are very soft. There you can see this particular headphone has a metallic chassis right over here. The headband is extendable, but not so much. There is some foam under the headband as well. So there you can see there's some foam under the headband as well, making it extra secure, extra comfortable actually. And it's also pretty flexible, not breakable, but nicely flexible. We also have a mic over here. This is a toggle mic, so you just have to bring it down to start talking and push it back up when you don't want to. Let's take a look at the cable itself. This is a very thick braided cable. This is nearly 2 meters long and it's a braided cable, which means that this will be very difficult to break. This is very tough. It's almost like a rope. This is the volume rocker in question. There's an on-off switch over here, which is a nice addition, and the volume rocker is over here. This is the volume rocker right over here. On the other end, we have a USB-A connector and a 3.5mm jack, which is expected of a gaming headset. Since this will be connected to a laptop or a PC, you will need both these connectors. Let me quickly connect and take a look at the RGB elements. I'm going to connect it to my laptop like so. You can see the RGB is cycling right now, it's breathing right now, and this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Cosmic Byte GS430 gaming headset. Thank you for watching.